this thing on. What is up, guys? It's been a long time since I've spoken to the camera. I look rugged, I look creepy. COVID has taken a toll on everything. My backyard, but look at the weather. Looks good. It's been raining his ass off here in California, and the second it dips down to like 70 degrees, or actually no, 60 degrees, you know, we throw on our puffy coats on and we try to survive the next. I haven't updated the YouTube video channel in a long time. I'm going along with my 4Runner overland / whatever camping build. Haven't updated it at all, but the other day I just ordered some X-Bull traction boards or recovery boards, whatever you want to call them. They're like, I think 100 bucks. And let me show you guys. And it comes with this like hardware with it, along with the cap. I guess this video is just going to be about how to install them on your rig without any like welding or drilling involved, and we're going to do it the old-fashioned way, and because my rig is held up mostly by zip ties, and we're going to try these zip ties out, or cable ties as you want to call them. They're multi-purpose, 250 pounds. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do. Let me get this set up, and then I'll take it back outside and I'll just film it, and we'll see how it looks and how it comes out to. Alright guys, so first things first, X-Bull gives you this hardware, and basically you attach this to your rig or whatever you have on the other end. And I just have two 15mm wrenches or a 5/8, and just kind of unscrew one on the other side. And basically how I'm going to do it is I'm just going to grab another washer, put it on this side, put this as tight as I can, and set it up nicely, make it even on both of them, and yeah, and then we'll go outside and attach it to the rig and we'll see what it comes out to. Put one on that side and throw it back on. I'm gonna leave as much room as I can, but I also want to give it a couple of turns, but I'm not gonna tighten it just so I can slide it back and forth. Same thing with this one. Throw the washer on the other side, on the nut, and then same thing. Just give it enough space so you can like slide it if need be, so you can adjust it. But that's pretty much how it's gonna stay like. And then to take out the traction boards, you just, these like obviously stop because they're, you know, the end cap's there. So the main purpose is to keep this solid and keep it steady, so that way it doesn't go anywhere, and then you just take out, you know, the Mack tracks whenever you need them. What's up guys, so this is the X-Bull mounting recovery tracks. They're mounting tracks, recovery tracks, whatever. They're like $100 with the hardware, and they give you this bag if you don't want to throw it on your roof. See, my issue is I have the Yakima cargo basket. I love it. I love the cargo basket, and again, it's the most cost effective as well. My goal is to be able to put these on the side without utilizing the most, you know, all the space on top of it. These can go on top, but I like to save that space for other things. And if I can mount these on the side like that, then that's just what I'm gonna do. They don't really sell anything for you to like put like a bracket here and have the two, you know, pieces there. This like really doesn't help anything. And you don't want to put it like inwards like this, because you need to utilize as much space here so you can have the full Mack tracks, and then, you know, be able to take them on and off. So that's what the zip ties are for. I'm just going to go ahead and measure it on one of them here, and then tighten it down. We're going to zip tie it, and we'll see what it comes out to. Alright guys, so for me, this is the end result here. So basically I have it set up. I had to remove one of the screws so I can slide this part in the back, and this should be the final result. And with this, I'll tie it in the back here, and we'll get it as tight as possible, and then we'll crisscross it, and we'll see what the end result is. So let's give it a try. So before I leave, it is kind of unstable. The whole purpose of this was so I can keep my space on top of my cargo basket and not utilize all of it. I am going to buy a strap that will just go around it and attach it to the crossbar, maybe like a 7-foot, ratchet rope, whatever you want to call it, and keep it tight. So that should clear that up, and we'll get that going, and I'll update the video. And on a, maybe I'll do like a rig walk around. This is a budget build. I can break it down if you guys are interested. For the few that are gonna watch this video, just let me know. Again, leave it in the comments and I'll get to it. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please click that like and subscribe button. Stay tuned. I am going to be going wheeling a little bit more, just because I want to get my toes wet. I want to experience it. I want to get that full effect and just see what life has to offer. There's more to it than your neighbor using the leaf blower and you being stuck at home. Alright guys, so if you have anything going for you, or if you have any plans, again, I haven't found anything for the Yakima cargo basket. I wish they just made an adapter, like just an O adapter with the screw in there. You tighten it, you get the clamp, and then the two sticking out. I mean, that'd be the easiest thing in the world, but they don't have that. So this is an aspect thing. So hopefully it works, hopefully it doesn't fly off. It might seem ridiculous to some, but again, this is like no tools required, just 2 wrenches, some zip ties, and or you can even try using the skinnier ones and just maybe 50-pound strength, and just use a shit ton of those and get it going. And once they're up there, and then just keep checking on it every time you go wheeling. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.